Therapist has been encouraging me to go for a walk around my neighborhood. I've been too afraid to. I've been afraid that people would stare at me, or a dog would attack me, I'd get lost or harmed. But I finally did it this morning, and none of the things I was worried about happened.
Now, it was 2020, lockdown just started, and Mr. Lewis and we started going for walks. We couldn't bear being in the house all day. It just didn't feel right. We felt kind of unhealthy. So we started going outside every single day. Despite us living in 2 different countries, we stayed connected in these walks. And this was actually when we started talking on the phone actively every single day. It made our friendship so much closer. And this is exactly what walks can do. They have many benefits, but one of them is being social. When you're out there, you can smile at people. You can talk to some new people to really get the ball rolling and feel better about yourself. Boost your confidence and just simply become a more social person. We started with 30 minutes a day and then worked our way up, sometimes to even 2, sometimes even 3-hour walks. It was insane. It really grew our friendship so much. We made so many experiences together, not just on the phone, but also in person when we could meet up again. And it was just amazing. See where we're now. We have a YouTube channel together.
Apart from all the social benefits, there's also so many mental benefits that I've really felt like I've benefited from. I know that this person has probably been struggling with some mental issues as well. And as we can see, a lot of this person's anxiety has been removed by going on walks, because it gets you out there and it makes you realize that the world isn't as bad and scary as it actually seems. It's scientifically proven that walks are good for your mental health. Now, obviously your physical health and your mental health are directly correlated, so that's one of these reasons, which we're going to get into later. But it also makes you creative. It helps you clear your thoughts. It helps you take your mind off certain things, and it helps you get out into nature, get a bit of a change of scenery, and it's a nice little fun activity that's also good for you, that you can implement into your daily routine, and that just makes you feel better, like an instant reset in your life.
And it's precisely this that actually gives you these productivity benefits as well. We used to go for a walk around 2 p.m. every day. This was the time of the day where we started feeling a bit sluggish, but we had used up all of our resources for some deep work and we just needed that mental reset. So going on a walk really energized us in the afternoon to stop our deep work for the day and get us in the mood for some more shallow work. It was literally like having a cup of coffee, except this one doesn't actually give you insomnia, but makes it easier to fall asleep in the evening. And if you're one of those people that only feel properly awake during the day if you've had some sunlight in your eyes, you can actually start going for some walks early in the morning. It's going to kickstart your circadian rhythm and tell your body that it's time to wake up. Our ancestors, they didn't spend all days indoors. They woke up to the sunlight, so we're actually used to getting sunlight early in the morning. You may think that you can just turn on your lamps in your room, but this is actually not true. There are studies that show that if you go outside, even on a completely cloudy day, the light index is actually 10 times higher than in your room with your LED lights on. So if you want to get that full effect of getting that light in your eyes and feeling productive during the day, just go for a walk and you're going to feel productive and awake throughout the entire day.
Yeah, and I mean, resetting your circadian rhythm is also something that directly affects your health. It's going to improve your sleep, it's going to improve your energy levels, and more science stuff probably. I don't know, I'm not a scientist. However, there's so many more health benefits that come with walking outside. One of them is obviously that you're getting some movement. It's incredible for burning fat and just generally improving your cardiovascular health. And sunlight is another one of these things. See, sunlight helps with the production of vitamin D, or vitamin D, Vitamin D. And an increase in testosterone is one of the beautiful aspects that come with increased vitamin D intake. So get out there, become more social, become more productive, get healthier mentally and physically, and we'll see you outside.
Wow, what a banging episode. Don't forget to check out this video as well. We'll see you there.